Hey guys, so earlier today I picked up this guy for 25 big ones. Yeah, the plastic money. So I bought it as not working because I had an ad out looking for iPod Classics, and then this guy got back to me. It's a work in progress. And you can see me with my stupidity. I ripped off the top of this connector. So, I've also ripped apart my classic 5th gen that you've seen in my first video to try to get it working. And while taking it apart, I did the same thing I did on my 5th gen by ripping the hold switch cable because the battery adhesive is very strong. And on my 5th gen, I replaced it. You can see it says 2008 Apple, so it's from the last iPod Classic made, and this one says 2005. I don't know if you can see that or not. There. So let's see if we can get this one working. I've so far not been successful. So I guess we can try putting, which battery is this? So I have 3 batteries right now running around. I've got the replacement for the 5th gen. I think I was talking about the batteries. I have 3 of them right now. So this is the replacement for my 5th gen that I got a few months ago. This one, This is the one from the 5th gen, the original. And this is the one that was in the 6th gen. So I'll just get a Sharpie and write on it. And I already know that one's the replacement because it looks different. So now let's plug the 80 GB drive back into this one. That's the original drive that was in it. We'll see if we can get any life out of that. Come on, get in there. Ugh. Hate getting these stupid ZIF connectors in. I think that's what they're called. Can't remember. Now plug the battery in. Now let's plug it in. So I have 3 cords going right now also. This one is FireWire, this one is my computer, and this one is just USB. So we'll plug it into FireWire. Can we hear the hard drive going? No. Apple Watch notifications. Just some activity stuff. Well, let's try plugging into the computer and see if we get anything out of that. Come on. Let's see if it shows up in iTunes. And no. And I'm also running over the stupid hard drive things. I think this is the computer at least. Yeah, it is. Well, let's try. Let's test this battery out to see if it actually works. So we can put it into the 5th gen. This should be our, this is our 30 gig drive. All the rubber fell off there right now. I don't care to put it back on because I'm constantly taking this apart. So let's see. Oh yeah, we got an Apple logo. Let's see if you can see. This thing is so rough. I'll have to do another restoration video on it. See if it'll, okay. Got no, oh yeah, no click because we're not connected. Stupid. So it shows it's completely dead. See if it shows it's charging when we plug it in. Yeah, so this battery is good. Oh, maybe not. Now it shows it's half charged. So, let's try out the hard drive. It honestly, it'll probably just say I need to restore it in iTunes if it's working, because it's running the newer iPod OS or whatever it's called, because the 6th gen runs a different version than the 5th gen does. I'll just plug this battery in again. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got an Apple logo. Yeah, connect to your computer, iTunes to restore. So this drive should be working. So the problem must be somewhere in the board, which isn't good. So I guess I can take it apart further, see what we can find. Take this stuff out of the 5th gen. I'm not going to put it back together quite yet, just in case I need anything from it. You can also see from opening this iPod up, it is so bent. So I'll have to bend it back into shape. But I'm not putting it together until I can either... Oh no, this is a 30 gigabyte one. It's actually not bent. There we go. It's bent. And yeah, so I'm not putting it together until I get a new cable for the hold switch or fix it. The last time when it was broken on my 5th gen, I tried to resolder it, but it didn't end well. I think I actually have it laying. Yeah. It's kind of a mess. Done terribly with magnet wire. So, let's take this iPod apart further. Grab my screwdriver and my magnet tray. I hate how tiny these screws are. Kind of a hassle to keep track of, to be honest. Oh, I thought I lost it. Oh. There. Thought I lost it twice. Another bad thing about them being tiny. Easy to lose. Okay, let's take it apart further. Oh, we need the metal prying tool to get this apart more. Or is there another screw? I've honestly never been inside a 6th gen. This is my first one. Only iPods I've been inside of are 4th gens, 5th gens, and first gens. Okay, can we get it off? Yeah. I just fingered out the inside. Let's grab a cleaning cloth. We can set this off to the side. Now we're in. Surprisingly clean. Oh, this button, the select button is actually metal. I'm surprised. I thought it would be like some kind of coated plastic or something. Now let's see. I doubt it would be the screen. Don't think that would have anything to do with the actual. You don't hear anything from the hard drive, so I don't think the screen would cause that. How do you get this part of the screen? Oh, okay, just some kind of shield comes right out. Can we pop this off? Yeah. And now it's all dirty. Does this board come off? It should. But maybe it doesn't. Oh, had it right off the camera. Can we carefully pry this out? Oh, it's glued on or something. Adhered somehow. Probably shouldn't be using a metal tool. That's not a good idea. I'll just use a pick. Yeah, I feel like something's gonna go terribly wrong doing this. Shit, that didn't sound good. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave this board on. Why is my computer suddenly playing music? Well, the tripod's gotten moved out of the stupid chair. Let's try it again and see if it'll work this time. I'm honestly kind of lost at what to do. I'm not a professional iPod repair person. I just like to do it. I have to get a real repairman or something. I don't really know. There. Shows how good I am. Hard to even get the screen back on without fingering it all up also. Well, let's plug the 80 gig back in and see if we can. Alright, this is the 30 gig. Where'd the 80 go? Apparently I've lost it. Oh no, there it is. It's gotten shoved underneath some tools. Let's try this again. I'll use this battery this time because I don't really care. Oh, do we get anything? Plug it in to the computer, I guess. I'll just move the click wheel. Yeah, we're not getting anything, that's for sure. So, oh, I think I see some corrosion. I'll just take this stuff off for now. That can't be good. Get out. Get out. There. Okay, so down at the bottom of the board, my camera will focus. I think there's some mild corrosion. So I'll see if I can clean that up with some rubbing alcohol. The toothbrush. Focus. There. Don't have very much left because I had a spill a while ago. Something bumped it and knocked the bottle down. So let's try to clean this off. I'll just get the whole board to clean off. See if that'll help. I honestly hope it does. Because I could probably sell this iPod and make money off it for parts, but I wanted to keep it. And the reason I didn't film myself opening it was because that took me about half an hour. It was not an easy task. If you don't need to open a 6th gen iPod, just don't do it. I find that the 5th gen is the easiest to open. Just doesn't take very much because of the plastic parts. Like, as you can see on here, the sides of it are plastic, so they open fairly easily. Now, let's see if the board's looking cleaner. Appears to be looking a little bit better, so let's try and turn it on again, see if we can get anything out of it this time. I'm getting tempted to take the rubber bumpers off of this hard drive too, because they're getting annoying. Yeah, they're coming off. Can't take it. There. Now let's plug a battery in. Funnily enough, this battery actually says it's for an 80 gigabyte iPod, and I'm pretty sure in the listing it said it was for the 6th gen, but the batteries, they're compatible between those generations, the 5 and 6. Okay, let's try this again. We're gonna get anything. Nope. Let's change the drive, because maybe somebody spilled something on this iPod and ruined the drive. So I don't feel like formatting it on my 5th gen, but if it comes to that, I'll try. But then I'll have to reformat it for this one again, if I can get it working. Yeah, hopefully it'll show something with this drive now that I've cleaned off that corrosion. But who knows, the board could just be trashed now. I like using the other battery. It's easier to push in. Wow, I'm getting really thirsty. Oh, was that camera out of focus the whole time? That's no good. There we go. My throat was getting kind of dry from all this talking. Oh, I think I might have heard the drive make a sound. Let's plug it in. Plug it into the computer. Let's set this thing down. Oh my god, tripod got moved again. Well, let's try Firewire. Never go wrong with it. Unless, of course, it's an iPhone or iPod Touch. Well, I'm getting dry again. I need more water. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this iPod. Maybe I'll just use the hard drive to upgrade my 5th gen. So I prefer the look of the aluminum, and it's actually in fairly good condition, apart from this one little small scuff where it was probably dropped. Let's investigate the board some more, see if there's any possible corrosion that I missed. Let's grab a magnifying glass, see if that helps find anything. Yeah, the front looks fairly decent. Let's have a look at the back now. I'm gonna move this light in more. Sorry if it makes you guys not see. Yeah, there's the spot. Maybe you can see that I messed up ripping off the end of the headphone jack and hold switch thing, that little brown piece, one like that I knocked off. Huh. What is this? I don't know what that was. Well, take some rubbing alcohol and clean the side of the board some more. That couldn't hurt anything. Probably won't help though. Not even enough rubbing alcohol left. Okay. What drive is this? Okay. This is a 30 gig. Let's plug the 80 back in. Nothing. Maybe there's a bit more corrosion in this corner. Just what is that in my rubbing alcohol? I think it's that Play-Doh stuff from that Game Boy or Nintendo 64 game cleaning I did maybe a month back. And there appears to be a fair amount of corrosion over here. Wipe this screen off again. Actually, I have some rubbing alcohol put in the spray bottle for cleaning phones. Forgot about that until right now. It was just sitting right over, kind of above my desk. So my light brighter. That should help spotting any more issues. That probably didn't make any difference, but let's try and see. It'll turn on. Try plugging it into the computer. And that fan you hear currently is from a computer that I should have a video coming up on shortly. This thing is starting to kind of make me angry. Well, I think I'll turn this video into 2 parts because it's getting fairly long, so I guess thank you guys. Okay, my phone ran out of storage, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. This video will be 2 parts. I'll make a new part whenever I fix something or there's an update with this iPod. Bye.